Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install VirtualBox 7.1 on Linux Mint 22. Whether you're looking to run virtual machines for testing, development, or just exploring other operating systems, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, we'll import the GPG key from the VirtualBox repository to verify the authenticity of the software being installed. Next, we need to add the VirtualBox repository to our system. You will find these long commands in the video description. Update your package list to include the VirtualBox repository, and then install VirtualBox 7.1. We're now ready to install the latest version of VirtualBox on our Mint 22 system. Execute the following commands. This will download and install VirtualBox and all its required dependencies. Allow the installation to finish. Congratulations, you're all set. But you also need to install VirtualBox extension pack. It is highly recommended that the extension pack version matches the installed version of VirtualBox. The VirtualBox extension pack is a set of additional features and functionalities that enhance the capabilities of Oracle VM VirtualBox. These features provide support for hardware virtualization and advanced capabilities not available in the base VirtualBox installation. Some of the key features offered by the extension pack include USB 2.0 and 3.0 support, allows you to use USB devices such as external hard drives or flash drives in your virtual machines. VirtualBox RDP enables remote desktop protocol RDP support, allowing you to access your VMs remotely. If you get this error, just restart your machine and try again. Run this command to add user to vbox users group. To launch VirtualBox, simply search for it in the application menu and click on the icon. VirtualBox will open and you're ready to create and manage virtual machines. Here's the VirtualBox interface where you can start setting up your virtual machines. And that's it. You've successfully installed VirtualBox 7.1 on Linux Mint 22. Now you can explore other operating systems or test environments right from your Linux Mint setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.